In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sublabels in Gmail. If you've ever wished your inbox had just a bit more structure, sublabels are a simple way to group related emails under a main label, keeping everything tidy and easy to find. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left sidebar. This is where you normally see sections like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and a little further down, your labels. Labels in Gmail work like folders, but with a bonus. A single email can have multiple labels, which makes organizing more flexible. Sublabels build on that by letting you nest one label underneath another, so you can keep, for example, a main project label with smaller categories inside it. Find the label you want to organize further. Now hover your mouse over that label. When you do, a small three-dot icon, sometimes called the More menu, will appear to the right of the label's name. Click that icon to open the options for this label. Among the choices, select Add Sublabel. This tells Gmail you want to create a nested label inside the one you chose. A small window will pop up asking you to name the sublabel. Pick a clear, descriptive name that makes sense at a glance, something like Invoices, To Review, or Q4 Updates, depending on how you plan to use it. A good naming convention pays off later when you're scanning your list. Once you've typed the name, click Add. That's it. The sublabel is created. You'll now see it appear indented under the main label in the left sidebar. This indentation is your visual cue that it's nested. You can collapse or expand the parent label to keep the sidebar neat, and when you apply the sublabel to emails, they'll be grouped right where you expect. Creating a sublabel doesn't move any messages by itself. It simply gives you a new place to organize them when you apply labels to messages in the future. You can repeat this same process to add as many sublabels as you need under different parent labels. Keeping names consistent and purposeful will make your inbox far easier to navigate, especially as your label list grows. And that's all there is to it. By hovering over a label, opening the three-dot menu, selecting Add Sublabel, naming it, and clicking Add, you've built a clear, nested structure for your emails. Try it with a couple of your most active labels and enjoy a cleaner, more organized Gmail.